I am Ashok Kumar, consultant psychologist in Basil Mind. My area of interest is ADHD. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder is a common disorder in children, especially primary level, high school level, and also in adults level. So, what are the symptoms? Those who are suffering from ADHD, the main symptoms are hyperactivity and also the concentration problem. Most of the children are impulsive in school settings and also their motor activities and also their cognitive activities. So parents sometimes not able to find out the proper cause for that, and sometimes they frequently fight each other due to lack of interpersonal problems. So those children suffering from these kind of problem, they have extreme activities, motor activities and cognitive activities. They also face difficulties in adjusting with the peer group. There are also another component that most of the population, people think about ADHD in clinical perspective. So generally we take jumping conclusions related to ADHD that it may be causes due to some brain injuries or some genetical aspect. Yes, there is also some reasons, we give the reasons for genetical aspect also. But most of the cases of ADHD are in psychological in nature. So what we can do is proper psychological assessment is needed to treat the ADHD. So let us think about what are the treatment available in psychological perspective. One is occupational therapy. Occupational therapy is generally giving to the in children level ADHD, and also another one is CBT, that means cognitive behavioral therapy. So cognitive behavioral therapy helps children in changing their thought process, and also their behavioral consequences. So it definitely help to overcome their problems. So we also use certain kind of social training skills in school setting, and also we educate the parents and also teachers to how to handle this kind of ADHD children. So to bring social awareness, it will definitely help to solve this problem more effectively. So I am here in Basil Mind organizations, and I am also working as a online counselor. So I will definitely help you. We are all working as a team, so we will definitely get a good therapeutic aspect. We will also give you a certain kind of social skill training in online, and also we have a running YouTube channel, Basil Mind. So you can also visit there also. You can subscribe our channel also, and whatever queries, you can also visit our website. And thank you so much. We are ready to help you.